everyone, welcome to Family Travel Africa. This is Bangta, Binay, Azaa, and Azaa here with you today, and we're going to be making spice pumpkin bread.
A spice pumpkin loaf is kind of like your pumpkin spice latte with all of those different ingredients to make it, well, not spicy, but have a lot of spices in it. Fall spices. For our pan, we have a beautiful fall pan, and the company Nordicware made this.
We're going to be using the Nordicware recipe for our spiced pumpkin bread, and Azaa will be my assistant, and Azaa will be Vinay's assistant. So I will be doing the dry ingredients, and my sister will be doing the wet ingredients. And to start out, we're going to be doing 1.5 cup of flour. And Azaa, you can do the honors.
Go.
Mm-hmm. Ooh! Wow.
Well, that's always fun. All right. So our next ingredient is
1 teaspoon of baking soda. Pardon
okay.
me.
Let's do that. So
So
Azaa.
Here is the 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay. And our next ingredient
Is a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder.
Okay. Go.
So here it is.
Smell good.
smells good. That's 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and here comes the next.
Smell good.
Smells good, huh?
Here we have 1 teaspoon of ground ginger.
1 teaspoon of ginger, and our next spice is
1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. Who was it?
it all smells good, huh? And what do we have next?
1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Who was it?
Nice.
Smell good.
So your pumpkin spice is your nutmeg, your cinnamon, your cloves, your ginger, right? Those are the main powder spices. And of course, we'll have vanilla when we get to doing our wet ingredients.
Yes. This here is a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Excuse me.
Azaa, don't add any more than we need. We're good. So
Yeah.
a little messy, but we'll get the measurements right for the pumpkin loaf.
And now we're going to need 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Oh my, that's a lot of sugar.
Oh yeah. All right.
And now we need 3/4 cup of brown sugar.
Yeah. So there's your brown sugar. So Azaa, 3/4. Yep, you can put it in there.
Brown sugar.
There it goes.
Whoa!
And now we will get our wet ingredients. So the idea is just to stir all our dries together. Okay, so we'll do that shortly. So let's get Azaa doing a little bit gently. Good job. Let's mix it all up. And it's time for mixing our wet ingredients. So Binay and Azaa, you guys are doing the wet ingredients.
Okay.
Yes.
So in here we went ahead and melted
The
1/2 cup of butter, okay, which is 1 stick. And the first thing we're gonna add, we can add our milk. We can do that.
Is that you want to add it? Originated.
So that's a 1/4 cup, right?
Okay.
And we have 2 eggs.
Okay.
So those are our eggs right there.
With a fork.
Okay. Isaiah wants to get his egg in. And so now we're going to add our vanilla. So this is 1 teaspoon.
Last name.
Perfect.
There's only 1 teaspoon. You can add the pumpkin.
And then Isaiah is going to put our cup of pumpkin. And this is pumpkin from the can. So you can use fresh pumpkin if you want, but we're using the can.
Pour it in.
So just turn it in gently. Lower it, lower it. It's better than a whole lot of splash. So now we're going to mix all that together.
The fork?
You can do it with a fork, that's fine. You can do it with a whisk too. So let's do that.
Mama, was it after dinner or before?
This is going to be an after dinner. Okay, so you'll eat your dinner first and then you'll have your pumpkin loaf. All right?
Okay.
Good job.
I'm back, and right now we're going to mix the wet ingredients.
Looks like you got it pretty well mixed up there, Monta. You want to add your dry ingredients to it?
Okay.
Now we just probably add 1/3 at a time and mix, and add 1/3 and mix. Okay. Let's mix that much. And don't put it too high. We don't want it to be over mixed, so just keep it on 2. Perfect. Nice. Alright. You can add some more. I like that you kept it on low power, so just 1. Very good. And we're going to add our last 1/3 of our flour to it. And now we're going to mix for the last time.
On low.
That looks very good. Nice.
Looking good.
We can transfer into our baking pan.
We have floured and buttered our pan. So
Sprayed and floured, sorry, yeah. So you got that prepped. And the oven, Bongta, you turned it on.
350.
Okay. And we're gonna have it in there for about 40 to 50 minutes, right?
Just yummy.
Just yummy. Perfect. Awesome. Looks amazing. Oh yeah. Let's
Yep.
take it to the oven. So 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. Let's set it to 40 and that way we can check on it and see how it looks at that time. So we got our loaf out of the oven and we are ready to flip it, see what it looks like in that beautiful pan. Yeah.
This is my first time flipping it like this, so
It should be exciting.
here goes.
Oh yes, that is pretty.
Oh my goodness. It actually looks so real.
Mama, muchas
Oh, look at the pit. It's so clean.
I know. So somebody did a really good job getting their baking pan ready. That somebody would be you, Mbongta. Great job. All right, so I think we're ready to do some tasting. All right.
Here is our pumpkin bread. Try it out.
This is very good. It's like so moist.
Moist and soft.
And then so crispy on the outside.
Yeah, crunchy and crispy on the outside and moist and soft on the inside. That's really good.
I hope you like my video. Yes, you do. Subscribe. Share it, share it.